So, let's begin the discussion of grouping functions with the simple summary functions. Produce a summary of information. A count of everything from a table gives me 34 rows. An average finds the average. Or, actually, a column from a query which is grouped by. We'll show you how this works in a minute. Count can be an expression or everything, just to pull everything. Doesn't necessarily need a group by clause because it's counting rows. Again, max find the highest value amongst a set of values. Min find the lowest value. Sum find the sum of all the values. So let's go and look at examples. And here I have a bunch of examples. What I'm going to do to demonstrate is simply copy and paste. Select all, Control C. Let's go back to SQL Developer, open up a connection, paste into here. Let's go up to the top of this set of examples. So, I have a table called price with a whole bunch of data in it. And it has essentially prices for tickets. I have added data to this table from previous chapters for the purposes of this particular chapter. So if you see more data in here, don't get confused. So find the average price from the price table. Price is a column in the price table, as we can see here, of a ticket or a ticket type from a specific section within an auditorium or a stadium or whatever it is you're going to. Given that price doesn't look very nice, we can round the result and get 82 rounded to 0. In fact, it's actually 82. Find this again. 82.5 rounds up to 83. If we round it to 2 decimal places, we get the average price in dollars. Now we're going to look at the average price based on a join between venues, and we're going to group by the venues. So what we're going to find here is the average price per venue. And obviously we could beautify that and take this guy here, paste this to here, and we could say round to. And we could even do something else and do round. I like to do functions from the inside out. So if I'm going to put another one on, I'd do this. Let's find a dollar value and print it out as a dollar value. Note I'm building from the inside out. Let's say 990.99 and put a floating dollar in there. I could even do this, although these values are not going to get that high, not in this case. And the column header's kind of ugly, so we'd say as price or as average. I'm just beautifying it to make it look nicer. So we know the average price of a ticket within this structure. This is not actually the ticket prices. This is the average price of a seat within a block section for Arco Arena is $39. Big deal. And here is a left outer join. What I'm doing here is I'm showing that a lot of venues don't have any prices. The reason why is because I haven't added any data in for those venues. If I go back to this venue query here, as you can see, only these venues have tickets. Price table entries. They're not actually tickets, they're block prices, groups for specific areas within a theatre, an auditorium, a show, a venue. So that's the average function. This topic will be continued in the next movie.